More details, close to the Railway Series 16, and I have an update with a new shell with the face, which will look really good. So this time I decided to change the final color for the shell, and it starts to look really cool. Now compare side by side the face. Look at the forehead, eyebrows, eyelids, even the mouth looks close to the picture on your left. That's the best or closest we could achieve. Yeah, I think this starts to look really good as 16.